heard it. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have flown into Cairns in the north of Queensland last night, and we're going to be here for a week exploring some really beautiful spots.
It's going to be so good. We're here with Tropical North Queensland Tourism, and we're here in December, which is summertime, so it's going to be a little bit more rain, but it makes it all the more epic for all the stuff we're going to be doing. We are going to be doing all the best waterfalls, rainforest, Daintree Rainforest, Cape Tribulation, Great Barrier Reef, all that good stuff, which we are so excited for.
So excited. Last night we went to this incredible dinner on this old fishing trawler. The restaurant's called Prawn Star, and you can get amazing fresh seafood, prawns, bugs, sashimi, oysters. Really recommend checking that one out if you're in Cairns. But today we are en route to a waterfall day in the Atherton Tablelands. We're on a very windy road right now.
We're going up the Gillies Pass. I think it's Gillies Pass. Up the Atherton Tablelands, and it's super windy. It's epic. Really cool road.
Beautifully lush too. So green.
So nice. See you at the first waterfall.
This is Mila Falls. It is the first stop today on our waterfall tour. Probably the most famous waterfall here in Atherton Tablelands, and it's so beautiful.
Following on our little waterfall adventure. We're at Zilly Falls now, a bit more lesser known compared to Mila. But hit this one up and then go to Elanjana after, and they are pretty sick. This one looks epic.
Looks absolutely so good.
I'm gonna go up there. Day 2 here in Cairns, and as you can see, it's a bloody beautiful day. But we're heading out to the Barrier Reef today with Passions of Paradise. They reckon that this doesn't matter. This is going to clear. Once you get out to the reef, it's all good. Apparently the water is just insanely clear this time of year, so very excited. Let's get out there.
Woo! We're about to go snorkeling. I'm so excited. And something interesting is that when you come out to the reef, you pay reef tax as per individual, which helps towards the protection and research for the reef and all the good stuff. So you are protecting the reef when you come out and visit. Not damaging
Well, this mad world that made me crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip. Hey, one of these days will know.
Probably the best reef I've seen.
That's actually pretty spot on, Hales. Milne Reef, Three Sisters and Club Tent. Those are the 2 spots we went. Passions of Paradise. If you're coming to Cairns, guys, get on this vessel because I'll take you to some skits spots, and it's luxe.
And this boat is probably the most luxe reef day boat I've ever been on.
So far, so good.
Everyone's lives are in my hands.
And the hat's essential, hey?
Yeah,
for sure.
I'm gonna take a ride.
No, you're not.
There you go for it.
Oh, that's good. We're here this morning at Rusty's Market, and we got the hot tip to come to Anne's Cafe Souda to try the Vietnamese drip coffee, and I've done that, and it tastes exactly like the ones you get in Vietnam. So good. Well, let's go check out the rest of the markets.
Time flies. funny when you getting older.
Giant.
I
Does
should
your
know
hair.
this. I'm afraid of the dark. I get lost in the thought of what I'll do with you.
So we have just arrived at our accommodation for the next 2 nights, right in the heart of the Daintree Rainforest, the oldest rainforest in the world. It is 125 million years old. To put it into perspective, the Amazon is 10 million years old and this rainforest is 125 million years old. And we're staying at this beautiful eco lodge called Mist in Cape Trib. And it is so amazing here, so peaceful, so quiet. So nice. So nice. There's 3 cabins on the property and everything is run by solar panels, which is incredible. Take you up here. This is the little deck area, which is really big. We've got the kitchen here, and over here we have this massive king size bed. It just looks, I'm just so happy to be here. And then you've got the rainforest right out here. The rainforest here is unfarmed, thick, beautiful, lush rainforest. And it's just us around. We are on Marja Botanical Walk, and apparently this is a beautiful walk through the rainforest.
Yeah, it looks
So far,
good.
It looks so beautiful.
So after probably the most bumpy boat ride we've ever been on, and they thought it was really calm, it was so rough, but it was sick. We've made it to Mackay Cay, which is like this little slice of paradise off the Daintree Rainforest. It's literally just a big sandbank in the middle of the Pacific. It's so sick, and the fringing reef here is incredible, hey?
So many turtles.
So many turtles. Let's get in the water. I'm hot.
I had all of them, most of you, some and now none of you. Taking me back to the night we met. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, haunted by the ghost of you. Oh, take me back to the night we met. When the night was full of terror and your eyes were filled with tears.
The lines are just permanently there on our face from our snorkel, and we're so burnt, so tired, but we're going to Imogen Creek. Apparently it's amazing.
It's a must visit when you're in the Daintree, or around Cape Trib. So
I'm just gonna sit and relax there, go for a little swim, you know, and then go to bed.
go to bed early.
That's right. If we had more time, we could live forever. Just you and I, we could be together. That's right. If we had more time.
So it's our second last morning in T&Q, and we're in Port Douglas. So welcome to Port Douglas. But we've come to Mossman Gorge this morning, and we're about to do a traditional Indigenous welcome to the land ceremony. It's like a smoke ceremony, which we're doing very soon. And then we're going to head up into the gorge. Seen photos of this place. It looks insane. Super clear green water, which a mango literally just fell straight out of that tree. So yeah, we're going to head up there and take you guys with us. Hope you enjoy.
Are you gonna get in? It looks cold.
Only one way to find out.
Is it cold?
It's cold.
It's cold.
And shallow.